So what if I told you there's an abandoned rifle range located right under Farmingdale State College? Yeah, that's not all. We also found down there a full 10-lane bowling alley, a billiard hall, and old air hockey tables, including all the bowling balls, bowling shoes, bowling pins, and everything else that comes with a bowling alley. Guys, come along for the ride because it's going to be awesome. Danger, high voltage.
Yeah.
What?
There's all your bowling pins.
We'll show them the bowling alley. Come here. We'll show you the bowling alley.
There's,
Yeah.
We'll show you the alley. Go around this side.
there's another air table right here, air hockey. Holy shit.
This is in the heyday. This was someplace everyone came.
This is the hangout.
This was a rat skeller. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at this place.
That's Marvin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Time to get bowling alley.
Oh, wow.
And after not that many years
Wow.
ago,
Look at this.
and then the shooting.
Come on. Is there a shooting range down here?
You need bowling shoes? There's bowling shoes back there. Face you on pair.
And this was a bar too, or no?
Yeah, bar bowling alley.
Well, no. Renton was.
No, this was a range then. Yeah.
So cool, man.
You need bowling shoes? Got old bowling shoes that you do.
Here's the gun range.
Let me see.
Don't wonder that wall.
No, the amount of lead.
Gun range.
Wow.
They shoot 22s down here. 22 right.
That wall's long off, I say, but.
No, don't go licking the walls.
I don't know. Well, think about like, Psycho Ward. But think about the world you live in now, where back then they were allowed to shoot 22s in this.
At a school.
At a school.
Eat me raw. At one time, the high schools used to have shooting teams.
Yeah. Oh shit! My school had one.
Yeah, remember?
My school had a shooting team here. 1978.
Ward Melville had a good one at one point.
Wow. No, I'm not gonna step up there.
That's all. That's whole fucking leg. Bullets.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they.
Look at that.
Us and them. Okay.
Lick me.
Funny is this one?
That's so cool.
The renders of the bullets are all the
Seeing some slugs.
It's better than the fall.
Okay. Oh my God! You want a poodle?
I forgot you're married. You don't need them anymore.
Trophy.
I mean, one of the four of us is so buzz.
I have a week ago that.
Jim's old and broke.
No, see, hold on, let me do that.
He's got two kids.
There's a room here. I don't know if can I just run it. I just see ya. There's old trophies in here, a ton of trophies and plaques.
Everything going on. Don't make noise in a place you're not supposed to be.
Don't walk down.
No, it's slippery and stuff.
Take it around the back. Robert, take it around the back. Yeah, I wouldn't put anything on.
They must have done this stuff because the bar couldn't have been back there. There's no place to put a bar.
Oh, that was upstairs with the bars.
I think the bar was
This wasn't
upstairs.
the bar, it was just for the bowling
Had
alley.
to be upstairs with.
Right, the shoes. Looks like just shoes were issued.
I think the bar was in the room we were in.
I
Yeah,
think it was upstairs.
that was upstairs.
What's in here?
Wow.
This, actually, it's nothing. The government.
You're gonna make one going somewhere else?
Look at this. How old the actual dials.
Wow. What's back there behind? Is that how you get back behind the?
Yeah, if you want like to fix the lanes also.
Yeah. Little shit falling.
There used to be a whole bunch of shit back there too.
Think about going to school here back when this was all open. The bar.
Oh, it's a cool spot. Look at that hockey. This for the hockey.
Yep. I might actually get on here. Probably not, but.
But back in the day, this is probably a cool school to go to.
Oh, back in the day.
I'll talk to my dad. He went here.
Oh, Marty said this place was a blast.
Yeah.
Years ago. Go back your alley.
Holy schnoly.
Right.
You see what I'm saying? Like, I don't know which one you said.
Oh, it's so cool.
Now,
Yeah.
so that if you turn them on, God only knows what happens.
Wow, look at this.
Man, they really tore through this shit.
Some
with
of
the
yeah,
bowling
some of
alley.
it's staying
With the
through.
pins.
Yeah, but look how old this shit is. Aaron, look at all the mechanical relays.
Yeah.
Each one, that's awesome.
Yeah.
The clicking and clanging, this thing must have.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that thing I think fixed the pins.
Let's turn them on. They're all on, actually.
Let's see, look at those old mechanical relays. This machine, the racket, it must have been.
Look at the mechanics though, like these belts and pulls the pin. And,
Whoever invented this shit, and remember, pre-computers and stuff was invented.
no digital. It was no digital. It
You
was
know what I mean?
just.
It's amazing. Amazing.
Fuck me. Too busy.
If you like watch the movie, like when it started Harley Davidson, I had a guy's head designs engines on a piece
Right,
of paper
that-
and molds. It's like manufactured the parts. It's like that's when men were men. Not,
Yeah, I know.
Now we got you.
Not cooking.
Now, man, are you?
Go here, do it for me.
I saw that drill right there.
No, that's Tommy's guy. You were great.
Oh, that's the gun range right there.
Yes, back there. A couple of them made it through.
No way, where?
Turn your light off.
Wolf's head? Is it really?
Is it?
I bet this held lots of beer one day for a fun bowling night.
Oh, yeah.
Watch your step over here.
John. One more bag. Fucking
Locked up there. These cartridges?
Oh, those? Probably. So this is all going to get torn apart.
Look at this.
What are they going to build? What are they going to make that? Do you even know?
I probably, back in the day, they'll probably open this up for recreation and shit.
Because they're trying to
Here's
rip
my
all this
question.
shit they ripped out, right?
How in the fucking hell are you getting these out of here?
Good questions.
Slowly.
So it's probably worth. Wait, look, Craftsman. Oh, they fucking destroyed that.
Yeah.
There's the other piece. Is that the other piece that goes through?
There's a bowling ball right there. A bowling ball.
Bye, John. What's back there?
This is really cool shit, man.
Oh, okay.
It's like a time warp.
Right?
I want that, but it looks like I think it's bolted down. I don't. It works. I mean, look at that. Sears.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
From 77.
77.
Wow,
man. The checklist for the day. Grease rollers. What's back here? Anything?
No, it's just a stairway back up.
It is really wild when you're saying, you think of the person who invented it.
They really sound. Oh my
Sounded
God!
authentic, right?
Yeah, strike! Oh man, these machines. I mean, just these panels on the machines are cool. I mean, I know they were.
Was before entering the machine.
Yeah, buddy. I ain't ever entering that machine.
Yeah, this is a machine that.
Oh, sir.
Yeah, no shut-off switch to just go in.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, pull power and motor plugs.
Yep.
Wow, man, this is.
Four safety switches. Man, I was born in the generation.
Yeah, now you go in, it's like... Guys, that's the Student Rec Center from the 70s. We have a lot of Cold War footage from other parts of the underground facility that goes underneath 110. And we have some really cool footage of some lost classrooms, things from the 60s, World War II aircraft photos, jet engines, chemistry sets, all complete classrooms that were left into a time capsule that we discovered. So guys, check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.